I am so excited. Ozpost delivered my new black Thermomix today. So I haven't opened the box yet. You can unbox it with me. Oh, a box in a box, yay! $140 of voorwerk. This is the aroma. It's the same as the white ones. A basic cookbook. But, ta-da! Ooh! Wow! Look at that. Let's just take the paper off. Careful not to drag my scales on the bench. Let's plug it in. We'll have to do a close-up. This over here, and this over here, and at the back is like a shiny rose gold color. And over here, it's all textured. I'm going to pull off the film. And I'm going to pull off the blue film on the... I'm going to switch it on. There we go. I think you'll have to come closer to see. Do you want to come closer? It's so pretty.